All right, what's going on, guys? Just got finished putting a bunch of stuff on the Jeep, so I kind of wanted to give you a quick tour of what I've done. Walk around the long way. All right, let's see. I think I showed you guys that I was painting steering knuckles last time and doing ball joint deletes. So ball joint delete, there's one of two on this side. There's the bottom one. See, I got my steering knuckles painted. I drilled these out to 1 inch and then did tapered inserts. Here's my passenger side one. Ball joint deletes. It looks pretty good. You'll notice I still don't have my axle shafts in. There's also no differential inside here. I put the new diff cover on, so I was wanting to make sure that it was going to clear my new way to attach my steering stabilizer here. This clamp. Got plenty of space. That's at straight. I'll turn it full driver end passenger here in a second to show you the clearance on that. So things are looking pretty good. I also fixed a coolant leak. This guy was leaking, presumably because these clamps were crap, the two that were on here, and they weren't. I couldn't get them very tight without them slipping. So I'm filling up coolant again. This is cooling off right now. Let's see, what else did I do? I think that's it. I think that's everything I got to show you so far. I guess we'll turn lock to lock here and show you clearance on that diff cover. That's a diff cover from Ballistic Fab. I did mention this before, but Ballistic Fabrication. That's loud, hold on. All right, so we got, we're locked all the way turned to lock on this side. You can see my clearance here. Let me get you an angle from the other side here. No problem. Plenty of clearance. That's full, what is that, driver's side? Let me go full passenger real quick. Oh, I got one wheel off the ground, so it's not impossible, but it's not easy. Okay. See, I'm on the lock here, maybe. There we go. There we go, okay. Plenty of clearance. It's the full passenger that was a big concern, on the diff cover at least. You can see I'm close on my nut right here, the steering stabilizer nut, but not touching. So that's that. All right, there you have it. There you have it. So something I think is interesting is I just noticed this has 355 on it, which I think might be telling me that this stock was 355 gear ratio. But when I bought it, it was 373. And it had a lunchbox locker, which actually I'll show you. The front diff is in this garage over here. I showed you guys my garage code. Whew. Would have been bad. All right. Got an extra engine here. Okay, so this is the gears that were in it when I bought it and the diff. And it's got a lunchbox locker, like a little Spartan locker or something in it. And these are 373 gears, I know, because I counted the teeth on the ring gear and the pinion and did the math. But also, this is a 1999 Jeep Cherokee XJ 4-liter engine. What do you guys think? It's got rust in here because it sat out in the rain for a couple weeks. Just in the head, right here through this intake, these intake ports, they've got some, it's got some surface rust. Everything else should be fine. I mean, I haven't taken it apart yet, so I don't really know. But my plan was to rebuild this one, stroke it, while I have the other engine still in the Jeep, so I can use the engine while I'm doing the stroker build. Or use the Jeep rather while I'm doing the stroker build. And then swap them and have an extra engine, this one, that would be ready to go if I ever needed it. But maybe it's not worth building with all that rust in there. I don't know. What do you guys think? Okay. Oh, what's next? I have a WJ water pump here that I took apart, painted, did the whole 9 yards too, patched this hole, not patched, but plugged that hole up, put the XJ, I don't know what you call it, adapter right there with the blue paper towel in it so I can install this on my Jeep. I just haven't installed it yet. That's my next install, is WJ pump on XJ, because this is I think they call it like Cardone, I think is the brand that does these rebuilds. This is a rebuilt XJ pump, and it whines. And in fact, when I go on the freeway for a while, when I get off, it won't work. The power steering won't work. I'll have manual steering, and then I have to kind of rev up the engine a little bit for it to start working again. So I don't know what the deal is with this pump. It was remanufactured and just never really worked since I got it. So I'm gonna put the WJ pump on there. I got the hoses all figured out, I think. This size hose is the size of this. This is what do you call it, a filter, a magnetic filter for my power steering fluid. So this size fits here. You'll see a flow in the direction of the arrow. This is the return line. And then this side is smaller because it came with all these things, and I could use different sizes. So I'm gonna use this to adapt this hose. So I think this is a 5/8 right here, and then this one's like 3/8, I think. And whatever size this is, it's this guy right here. This is the stock size of power steering fluid hose. So that'll go there, and this will go to the output of the steering box. So there you have it. That's my next thing I'm doing, and I'll make sure to show you guys when I've got that going. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I want to make better videos. I need to get a GoPro. I'm using my phone, and it's only got like 64 gigabytes of storage, so I can't take long videos. That's why I do a bunch of stupid shorts, and only occasionally do I do a video like this, because I got to go clear out a bunch of space before I can take a video. It's annoying. So yeah, help me out. Subscribe, like. Love to get a GoPro or something that I could shoot better video with. So thanks, guys.